This is how to change your Gmail password. If you find this guide useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Now to get started, launch your Gmail app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then switch to the Gmail account that you want to change its password. Now once you are here, tap on Manage your Google account. Then swipe on your left. Then tap on Security. Then you need to scroll down. Then you are going to see Password. Now tap on it. Then enter your new password. Then confirm your new password. Then tap on Change Password. Then your password has changed. So as you can see, password change successful. So that's how to change Gmail password. If you found this video useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.